How to send PayPal payments link easy 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about the PayPal payments link and how you're going to send it out to people. So to do so, you're going to come over to your PayPal, okay? And once you do that, you're going to go on pay and get paid. And once you go over here, you're going to come to paypal.me because this is where you're going to make your payment links. So here you go. Create paypal.me profile, which is exactly what we're going to do. Now you can add your photo if you want to. I'm just going to go with not now. You can add it yourself if you want to. And then you're going to make some, memorable link for yourself. So here you can see I have a memorable link now. I'm going to click on next. So this is your PayPal link that you're going to be sending to people. So you're going to agree and create it, copy this link, and here you can see your profile is live. And then you can share your paypal.me link to people, and people can send money to that link really easily, really simply. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. And that is how you're going to send people your paypal.me link. So that's about it. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.